welcome to Crafty Little Things. I received this huge parcel in the post today, and I wondered what it was. I thought it was some Ben's Beanies, but it's actually a swap from Jacqui, and it had this gorgeous card. Look how cute that is. It's absolutely beautiful. Dear Andrew, thanks for the swap, it was so fun to make. I hope you enjoyed. Lots of love, Jacqui. And it's full of Halloween sequins. It's so cute. I haven't made my swap for Jacqui yet, so I'm going to be doing that this weekend. I've got such a busy week this week, and then I've got more or less a clear week, more or less a clear month actually. So right, now this is a huge parcel, so start with this. Oh, look at this. There's 2 boxes, handmade boxes. Oh, how gorgeous is that? Oh, it's not a box, it's a post-it. Crikey, look how lovely that is. You're stronger than most. All those embellishments, they're beautiful. And post-it notes, that's so lovely, that's so well made. I wonder where she got those little pen holders from. That's gorgeous. Love that. And then a little box for you, dear friend. Little gorgeous floral envelopes. Love these papers. Is it a little set of notelets? Look at those. A little set of notelets. How gorgeous. I'm always looking for things like this to just pop in to send to people, especially just lately with the Beanies project. So these will really get well used. They're so pretty. I love those. They must have taken ages to make. They've got so much on them. Jacqui's projects are never simple. That's something I've learned. It's gorgeous. Really a special day. I've never seen these stamps either, so I don't know if they're stamping up or not. They could be stamping up because I see things and I think, oh, they're gorgeous, I wonder where they're from, and then they're in the Stampin' Up catalogue. They're beautiful. Love those. And that, like I say, they'll definitely get used because I'm always looking to grab things to send off to people. So pretty. I love the little bows with the, oh, that's in the bottom. I don't put bottoms in. These little boxes are gorgeous. I think they're from Stampin' Up. Little pizza boxes. Thank you so much for those. They're beautiful. And I think this is gardening. I think it's, oh, I can't remember what it's called, the DSP. I'm useless with knowing what things are called. They're beautiful, thank you. And then look, she's hand stamped some tissue. That's cute. I think that is definitely Stampin' Up stamps. I love that. I like hand stamping tissue as well. It just lets you get a bit individual. And then this lovely box. Maybe this gorgeous paper. It's got like a felted design. And that lovely old olive stitched edged ribbon I love. I love the way she uses jewels to finish off her ribbons. Crikey. Oh, I thought it was a box full of ribbon. I was going to say, crikey. Oh, a box full of tags. Oh, wow. No Pecan, Joyful Christmas. Oh, these must have taken ages to make. Oh, how cute are they? Oh, they're beautiful. And little charms and stuff hanging off them. Clips. Wow. They are beautiful. I love those. I think they're from last year. These are new. Love those. Thank you so much, Jacqui. They are just gorgeous. They'll definitely be going on little Christmas gifts I buy. We've kind of, because of what's happened this year and last year, we've decided we're not really having Christmas this year, but we're going to my daughter's, and we're going to just, I don't know, do it very low key. So thank you for that. I'll still have to do some bits. You can't get away from everything, can you? And what's here? It's all wrapped in yellow tissue this time. Oh, it's in crepe paper. Oh my goodness. What? Oh, gosh, I feel really spoiled. Look at those. Aren't they gorgeous? I love them. Not only are they good to put on the tree, but they're great for a photo prop as well. Oh, I love my mini bows. They're so cute. They're lovely. I wonder if she knows that I do a bit of jewellery making on the side. They'll come in really handy. Some gorgeous glittery gold washi tape. Some lovely buttons. I've got a button fetish, so buttons always come in handy. They're beautiful. Oh look, some hearts that I can decorate up myself. They're great. Beautiful. Snowflake, sparkly snowflake. That's gorgeous. I love the way she's done that, because I had some of these and I used to have them in my hallway, and they're gorgeous. Oh, look at that gorgeous tape. Oh, it's really blingy, that. Oh, and look at that one. That is amazing. And then some red stitched ribbon. All great for Christmas projects. The 2019 pocket calendar, now I could be using that until I get my 2019 planner on the go, and that's handy just to have in my bag as well, so that'll come in handy. They're nice then. I wonder where that was from. Oh, snowflakes. Look at those. Oh, they're gorgeous. Got like iridescent tinsel on them. And then large doilies. They're lovely. Do you know what? I'm really, really grateful for these, Jacqui, because the small Stampin' Up ones and the small ones I got from, was it the range? And then there's the big ones that you actually use for cake. And I was looking for something sort of in between. So that's perfect. That's exactly what I needed. Little dragons. Oh, so cute. Prints. Just have a look. Is that like the one that's on the front of the card? Where is the card? I lost the card. Well, I haven't lost the card, but it's under here somewhere, I think. Oh, it's here. Yeah, the dragon. Oh. Oh, look how cute. They are super cute. Look at them. Little pot of garden rainbow. And a snowman. Oh, they're so cute. I'll be able to colour them in and pop those on cards. And a lovely bag that she hasn't even ripped the seal off, so I'm going to use that as well. Gosh, look at these. Wow, look at those stickers. Glittery butterflies, they are gorgeous. So black and purple, and then there's teal. I mean, they'll go gorgeous with Tranquil Tide and Pool Party. They're beautiful. They're lovely. And they've got their little pearls on them as well. And then there's Paper Pack, Marvellous Marble. That's gorgeous. I love a good marble background because you can't go wrong with one, can you? I can't open it, but I'll look at the lovely colours. That's going to be really useful. Jacqui is like, for me, she's like the queen of the blend and using inks. She just does marvellous things with inks and blends and, you know, just blends up cards beautifully. And so she'd probably do something like this with ink. I couldn't even begin to imagine how to do it. So to have those would be really useful. And then there's these gorgeous foiled cardstock. Look at that. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. I mean, these are more or less cards ready-made, aren't they? Just stick a sentiment on. Oh, I love foils. They're gorgeous. A gorgeous gold one. I wonder where she got these from. These are lovely. That one looks like it's been embossed. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Paisleys. I love paisleys. And I love flowers. I love everything. Gorgeous. This one's got birthday, best wishes, and you could cut them out as sentiments. They're beautiful. That's cute. The emojis. Again, you could cut that out. Oh gosh, I know what I'm going to do with that straight away. Oh, that's so cute. The lucky clovers. And the little flowers. I love that. It's proper sheeny. Look at that. Oh, what? These are gorgeous. That's very iridescent. Can you see? It's like holographic. It's lovely. Wow. Well, thank you so much for all of that, Jacqui. Gosh, I don't know what to say. There's just so much of it. Fabulous stuff. I love it when, because we all sort of shop at the same places, we all see the same places, and yet people send you stuff you've never seen before, and handmade stuff, obviously, you've not seen before. And it's just lovely, isn't it? To get a pile of stash that you've never seen anywhere before. And now for the pocket letter. Right, I'm just going to move this over here so that I can do the pocket letter justice. So, oh, again, she's stamped the tissue and the crepe paper with images from Stampin' Up. Cute Halloween themed. This is our oh, look at that, our Halloween themed pocket letter. That's so cute. Oh, I love it. The spider and the bat. Little swizzle stick. Oh, it's so cute. The windmill, pinwheel, whatever you call it. And then the little pockets. Oh, I thought there was something else in there. There is this sequin, confetti, foil confetti. Oh wow, I love these. These are great for, I got ribbon sliders. And they're fab for making a real blingy card. Especially great for wedding invitations and things like that. Love them. Thank you for those. Definitely get used. I've even got a drawer especially for that kind of thing, so I use so many of them, so that's great. I won't pop my envelopes back in because I don't want to take too long to open everything, but I'll put them back in when I've finished. There's more confetti in there, more buttons. Love buttons. I can never get too many of those. Thank you for those. I love this DSP. It's from retired Stampin' Up. These are all floral embellishments, so there's little plastic ones, there's sequined ones, there's felted ones, wooden ones, funky foam ones, acrylics, lots of lovely floral embellishments which will definitely get used. I'm on 2 design teams now, so I'm going to be doing more paper crafting. Look at those, can't beat sequins. Gosh, what lovely colours. That's like berry burst and a mint macaron, it's gorgeous. And then the gorgeous hearts, it's beautiful. They're hearts. And in like a really dark blue. A really, and there's a mix between very and really that. I love these little envelopes. I wonder how you make them. They look quite simple to make actually. Oh, there's some paper clips. Now I love paper clips. It's a collection of, I think this is the nice thing about pocket letters, that you get stuff from each other's stash and you get selections of stuff instead of just one set of, you know. So there's all sorts of paper clips in there. There's flowers, there's rectangles, triangles, geometric shapes, really lovely, different colours, definitely be used, most definitely. Love paper clips. That's, stationery is one of my things that I just found it really difficult not to buy a lot of. And in this one we've got all sorts of different star embellishments, which is great for this time of year. There's wooden ones again, painted ones, glittery, red and gold. Gorgeous. The old traditional red and gold colours, you can't go wrong at Christmas, can you? I just love the way this whole thing's been decorated. What have I got in here? Oh, bulldog clips. Again, can't get enough of these. Use them for all sorts. I use them for clamping work together. I use them for what they're supposed to be made for. I use them on notice boards. Use them on cards and projects. Use them as closures. So I always use lots of those. Thank you for those. Some more. Oops. Some little embellishments. These are like little mirrored embellishments, I think, and sort of rhinestone-y types. There's hearts, stars, butterflies. They're so cute, all different colours. Gorgeous. They'll definitely get used on cards. And then finally we have this one, oh, which is full of, oh my goodness, gorgeous butterflies. Look at these. They're like wire and fabric. They are absolutely beautiful. And then there's these holographic ones. Look at those. They're gorgeous. Wow. Love those. Oops, I put them in the wrong box. Thank you so much, Jacqui. That is just one serious giveaway. And thank goodness you never put any chocolate in it, because I'm an absolute chocoholic and I'm on a fast at the moment, so it would have been hard for me to resist scoffing it straight away. Thank you so much. I'll be sending out yours very soon, but thank you so much for the time it must have taken you to make this and to put it all together. It's just outstanding. I'm just blown away. Thank you so much. It's a lovely, lovely gift, surprise gift to get today. Thank you.